What's up everyone, I'm Lucas and this is my first video of this raw series where I will be documenting my life, what I do on a daily basis and how am I building my first official online business at 19 years old, right? So if you want to be part of this journey, smash the subscribe and let me tell you something about me, about my journey so far, about my plans, so you can be part of this journey as well, you can be part of my life and you can see how am I gonna succeed, right? First of all, two things, why am I doing this, right? Alright, so the first thing is I saw Iman was doing this also, so I thought it would be nice just to see where did I come from and how am I gonna like succeed in life, right? So if you want to be part of this, just smash a subscribe as I just told you. Second of all, I want to build trust, right, in this online platform because I see that so many people are only yapping about business and trying to sell you something. I think and I also believe that people are buying from people, right? So if you will be seeing me and my life every week, then obviously you are gonna buy something from me because I will be the best version or the best solution for your business, right? So that's the second thing, right? So first of all, build rapport between this in this online space like Iman did, and the second of all, just to build a deeper relationship with you guys. So today is 19th of December 2024. I just finished my workout session for today. I had an amazing push session where I completely smashed my shoulders, chest and triceps, and now I'm going to home. I'm gonna show you my setup and how I like to learn things, how I build businesses, etc. And also I'm gonna show you that I'm completely starting from zero. I have some skills, but that's it. And one more thing, this is how I look right now as a physique check, right? So you see where did I come from. So as you can see, I'm at home finally. I think you heard what I was talking about in the outside because it was quite windy. I'm not gonna lie. So let me show you first of all where I work, and then I'm gonna tell you my plans and future things, right? So first of all, here is my first official setup, right? So as you can see, 19th of December, it's Thursday, so this is in my language, 9:06. Here is the timer where I work, so I can measure how much I work, right? So how many hours I work per day, then just press stop, etc. Here I sleep. Here is the best thing in the planet, right? So whiteboard. Basically there is a quick tip. If you want to learn faster, then just watch a YouTube video online, and then what you learn, you're gonna basically teach others, right? So whenever I learn something about like finance, business, etc., what I do is I watch a video and then I'm gonna grab this whiteboard, put it right here, as you can see on this a little nail. Then I'm just gonna record a YouTube video or basically just a video where I can see what I learned. Here is a tripod, here is a window, as you can see, amazing, right? Here I sleep, here I read, etc. So now let me actually tell you more about my business. So far what I have done. So yesterday, I think let's mark it like a day one. It's the first day where I send my first outreach messages, so called DMs to people. I got some replies, some positive, some negative, some very negative, like for example fuck off, or one person actually told me that I'm not gonna make any money at all online. I was like, okay, cool, let's move forward, right? So yeah, I have to learn how to deal with this negative energy, right? So that's the thing. Now explain a quick about my business. So what I do is I run done for you client acquisition operational business. In other words, I basically make people money, right? So I come to the business, see what was working, what's not working, and then fix problems, providing solutions, all done for you. Building campaigns, funnels, ads, content marketing, etc. Basically all in one, because I want to learn as much, I want to earn as much, and I think this is the future of online businesses. So not like commoditized service where everyone offers content marketing or ads or inbound structure funnels, etc. I want to be a different. I want to learn as much and earn as much. So this is my plan. If you want to see my journey, if you want to be part of this video series, then obviously smash a like, comment something. So if you feel that this is a good idea from my side, then I would like to read your thoughts. And as you can see, as I just told you, I'm completely broke, right? So Christmas is in like 5 days, and I spent like all of my money, let's say, on a Christmas gift, and I have almost nothing next to my name. So that's why I just want to start a business. And even though I'm completely like broke, I have some skills, definitely. I have something that most people don't have. And that something is what I call confidence. That's the first thing, and I'm building it every day, so I'm making progress in my confidence levels. And also the best thing that I think that I have as a characteristic is that I'm not giving up. I've never given up in my entire life so far, and I'm not gonna change it, right? So I'm telling you, I don't know when, I don't know what I'm gonna do in the future, but I know that I will be successful because I will stay in the game as long as it is required, and I will win. So that's it from my side for today's video. Any thoughts, comment down below. If you like this, just smash a like, smash subscribe, and thanks for watching, and see you guys next week. Next week is Christmas, so I'm gonna try to record at least something from my work, because I'm not planning to stop, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoy your life, and don't forget to work hard, because if you will work hard and if you will learn every day something, and if you make progress every day, trust me, you are gonna make it. That's it, and see you in the next one. Cheers.